All right, so let's get into the fifth reason why you are struggling with dry hair. Now, the fifth reason is inappropriate use of hair products. Yeah. So before we get into the lesson, I just wanted to share the role of each product and what they do really, right? Because I've seen naturalists come up with all sorts of functionalities for products that, and I mean, that's not what the creator of those products actually created them for. So we know that shampoos are meant to cleanse our hair. Conditioners are meant to soften and repair our hair, not shampoo it, right? And yeah, so you use it after shampoo, not before, because again, I've seen people do all sorts. Leave-in conditioners are meant to keep our hair soft after water has evaporated from our hair. So, because usually, when you wash your hair, it feels nice, and then when your hair dries up, then, when your hair dries up, yeah, your hair will feel dry. And then oils or sealants, they are supposed to lubricate our hair, reduce friction, and nourish our hair, and also to seal moisture. But most importantly, to lubricate our hair because type 4 hair is very coily, so it's very easy for our hair to get very tangled, right? And gels, any curling pudding, curling custard, whatnot, right? They are supposed to, hold your hair in place, right? And to give you, whatever hairstyle that you are looking for. So if it's a twist out, if it's a rod set, whatnot, right? So that's what gels or any styling products are meant for. So products that you should like, it's so important that you use them as instructor because even I've tried, you know, um, trying to come up with new ways for products, right? Trying to, create stuff, right? So conditioner is so important, right? So important. So conditioners should be used to condition your hair and not to cleanse it. Even though it's okay to do co-washing, but again, I have a lesson where I talk about co-washing and why sometimes it's actually not good, especially if you are looking, to increase your hair's moisture retention. So, and then another product is, the deep conditioners. Deep conditioners and regular conditioners should be washed out, right? Because I've also tried using, a washer conditioner as a leave-in conditioner, and my hair felt like a film, right? Like my hair felt very weird, right? Especially if the conditioner has dimethicone on it. Again, I have another lesson where I talk about um, ingredients in hair products. So I will talk about that in more detail. And leave-in conditioners shouldn't be substituted with an oil or styling product. So leave-in conditioner should be used after shampooing your hair, and you're gonna put it on your hair, and then you're gonna put oil over. Even though I've seen many naturals put oil first and then leave-in conditioner, whichever method, as long as it works for you. So here's the problem though with being creative. Here's the problem with being creative. So, as we know by now, each hair product is formulated for a specific purpose, for a specific hair need, right? So, I mean, there's nothing wrong with being creative and whatnot, right? Especially when it comes to your hair, because after all, it is your hair. After all, it's not my hair, right? But sometimes being creative can be counterproductive, right? And it can also create a product mismatch, and which can work against your hair because again, remember, sometimes a product could be great, but then when you use it with something else, with another product, then it might go the opposite way. It might give you the opposite result, right? So just keep that in mind. Although I mean, it's not bad to always, be creative and to find new ways to use something, right? It's not bad, but then if it's working against the health of your hair, then maybe just go back and just use the product as is. All right, so now back to you, right? What ways have you been creative with your hair products? You just let me know, maybe because for me, for example, right, in the last lesson where I shared about how to close your cuticles, right, I shared the fact that I've been using, an edge control gel, right, to sort of, seal my cuticles, right? So, and that has been working for me, right? So let me know about any great news, anything you tried that went well, or maybe that didn't go well. I would love to hear all about them in the comment section below.